Huawei Precision Air Conditioner Introduction. 4 main components of a refrigerating system. This section will introduce the 4 main components of the air-cooled precision air conditioner. First is the compressor. The compressor is the core of the refrigeration system and is a power unit which allows refrigerant to circulate inside the system. It maintains low pressure for the refrigerant in the evaporator and a high temperature and pressure for the refrigerant in the condenser. The compressor compresses the refrigerant to a high temperature so that it can release heat outside. There are 5 types of industrial compressors: piston, screw, rotary, scroll compressor, and centrifugal compressor. The piston compressor is widely used in small and medium-sized refrigeration systems. Screw compressors are mainly used in large commercial and industrial systems. Centrifugal compressors are widely used in air conditioning systems for large buildings. Rotary compressors and scroll compressors are mainly used for small household or commercial air conditioning units. As the scroll compressor is small, efficient, and runs quietly, the precision air conditioner usually uses a scroll compressor, as shown by this picture. The next is the condenser. It's used to release heat outside. Condensers are divided into water and air-cooled condensers. A water-cooled condenser is used in the water chiller. We can see that this is an air-cooled condenser. The fan is used to speed up the release of heat. Next is the throttling device and its expansion valve. From the slide, we can see that the expansion valve has 2 functions. The first is throttling. Throttling forces the liquid to go through a very small cross-section so that the pressure is reduced. Like spray nozzle on a bottle, when we press the button, the liquid droplets are finely dispersed and becomes gas. The second function of the expansion valve is systematic regulation, so that if thermal load is low, the flow of refrigerant is reduced. The expansion valve includes both a thermal expansion valve and electronic expansion valve, and Huawei uses both. The evaporator is similar to the condenser. It's used to exchange heat between the refrigerant and indoor air and to absorb heat from the data center. They are also divided into 2 types, water-cooled and air-cooled. Here we can see an air-cooled evaporator. An evaporator is usually triangle-shaped because its surface area increases heat exchange efficiency. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.